Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of the Dragon Fruit series. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and repot this dragon fruit that's long overdue for a trellis. If you saw in episode 1, we went ahead and built this trellis behind us. So yeah, I'm going to go through the steps that I take when I repot my dragon fruit. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and remove the dragon fruit from its pot, but I'm going to go ahead and keep the stake that I had. That way when I move it into position, the dragon fruit doesn't break in half or ruin all that growth that we spent so much time letting it do. So I'm going to grab the dragon fruit, remove it from the pot, and carefully slide it through. Now that the dragon fruit is temporarily placed in its pot, we're going to go ahead and start cutting off the garden tie and removing the stake that it was attached to as we attach it to our trellis. As you can see, our dragon fruit is way too tall. There's a lot of top heavy growth, like I said. Should have been repotted a long time ago, but we're here now. We're gonna go ahead and cut off all this growth up here. Like so. And we're actually not just gonna discard that. We're actually gonna root the cuttings, which is gonna be in a future video. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and go about 2 or 3 inches up the top, and then we're going to top it like so. And what that's going to do is encourage growth to come up here, and then we can start forming the umbrella over the top of the trellis. So what I like to do now, at this time, I go ahead and fertilize my dragon fruit. And this just to give it a little extra boost from the transplant and everything else, get things going. This is what I use, Osmocote. I don't put a lot, just a good little handful, sprinkle it around. And then we're gonna go ahead and finish covering up our dragon fruit. Once we got our dragon fruit fully planted, I like to go ahead and add some mulch. In this case, I'm using pine bark mulch. And this helps with water retention in the soil. That way you're not watering as much and the dragon fruit stays happy. And there we have it, guys. We successfully transplanted our dragon fruit to our dragon fruit trellis. The potting soil I use is a combination of perlite, peat moss, compost, and composted cow manure. My dragon fruit seem to love it. If you found this video informative, please drop a like, subscribe, comment, any content that you would like me to cover. I'll do my best to cover it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.